I will show you the 4 best Instagram frameworks to make money in 2026. And I've been building Instagram funnels for over 6 years, generated 150,000 leads and over $50,000 in direct sales for my clients. And these are the frameworks I'm using with my clients right now. So this isn't theory. This is what actually works. And the cool part is you don't need more followers. You just need the right framework for your business. Because if you choose the wrong one, you will either get leads that never buy or you waste time talking to people who aren't qualified. So I will break down the 4 frameworks, and for each one I will show you when you should use it, how it works, and an example of how I used it with my own clients. But before we jump in, if there's one thing you remember from this video, it's this. You should stop using landing pages as the main way to turn your audience into leads and customers. Landing pages only convert at 5%. That means that if 100 people come to your landing page, only 5 people will sign up. But a chat funnel where you ask for someone's name and email in the DMs converts at 50% or more. So if you're currently sending people to a link and you switch to a chat funnel, you can literally 10x your leads from the exact same content. And honestly, if you stop the video here, but you take that takeaway and apply it, that will already make you more money in 2026. All right. Now let's get into the 4 frameworks that will make you the most money in 2026. So the first framework is the simplest one, and it is free to paid. So you give away something for free and then you immediately upsell a paid offer right after. And this works best when your paid offer is low ticket, so anywhere between $0 and $50. And it works even better when you already have a good relationship with your audience or you're selling something people can impulse buy. Because the price is low, the risk is low, and people are way more likely to just say, yes, sure, and buy it. So here's how it works. You start by giving away something for free. This can be a freebie like a guide, a checklist, or an ebook. Or it can be something like a free challenge. It doesn't really matter as long as it solves a real problem your audience has. And then you promote it on Instagram. So you tell people to either comment a keyword or DM you a specific keyword. And when they do that, the automation starts. And inside the DMs, you confirm the interest in the freebie, you ask for their name, you ask for their email, and then you deliver the free thing right there in the DMs. And then immediately after that, you upsell them to a paid offer. And that paid offer either solves their next problem, solves the same problem but better, or solves a bigger problem. That's it. That's the entire framework. And the best example of this is with one of my clients, Julia Fraticelli. She made over 12,000 euros using this exact framework. So Julia is a hair and makeup coach and she is specialized in doing this for brides. Each year, she hosts a free 5-day challenge. So what we did is she promoted a free 5-day challenge. And when people commented on her Instagram post, we sent them an automatic DM. And then inside the DM, we asked for their name and we asked for their email. And then immediately after signing up, we offered them a VIP upgrade. So the VIP upgrade was basically the same challenge, but with extra stuff, like extra lectures, more support, a better community experience, and a Q&A with Julia. And it was only 27 euros. And just from that VIP upgrade alone, she made over 12,000 euros. So here are the numbers. There were about 4,000 conversations started. 1,900 people signed up for the challenge and 460 people upgraded to VIP. That's a 24% conversion rate from free to paid. And again, that's just the VIP upgrade. Inside the challenge itself, she also upsell people to a bigger offer. So this was the first layer of monetization. And by the way, I have a full video where I break down this funnel and the exact numbers. So if you want to see the full setup, I recommend watching that one after this one. But the reason this works so well is because it's low ticket. People don't need 7 days of trust building for a $29 offer. They probably just bought something on Amazon like 5 minutes ago. So if your offer is cheap and it's the logical next step, this is one of the fastest ways to make money from your Instagram content. But there's one important thing. This doesn't work for everything, because when your offer gets more expensive or your audience doesn't trust you yet, most people won't buy immediately. And that's exactly why we have framework number 2. So framework number 2 is when free to paid doesn't work. work, and we typically use this with low to medium ticket offers, anywhere between $50 and $250. Or we use this when your audience just needs more trust before they are ready to buy. And this framework is free to more free value to paid. So instead of pitching right after giving away a freebie, you first build more trust by sending more free value. And then when the trust has built, then you upsell them to your paid offer. So it basically starts the same way. You promote a freebie on Instagram. People comment a keyword or they DM you a keyword. And then inside the DMs, you do the same stuff. You confirm the interest in the freebie, you ask for their name, you ask for their email, and then you deliver the freebie right there in the DMs. So far, same as framework 1. But here's the difference. After they get the freebie, you don't stop. You send them more free value because most people are interested, but they're not ready to buy yet. So you build trust by showing them, hey, I actually know what I'm talking about. And then you do that by solving problem number 1, which leads to problem number 2, which leads to problem number 3. And then once enough trust has been built because you solved all of these problems and delivered a lot of value, that's when you pitch your paid offer. And one of the best examples of this is with one of my clients, Tom from Gym Together, because he made over 30,000 euros with this framework. So Tom has a coaching program that helps people get fit and transform their body. And with Tom, we started with a free fat loss guide. So people commented guide to get his free fat loss guide. And then in the DMs, we sent them a confirmation message. We asked for their name, we asked for their email, and then they got the guide in the DMs. But then we did something most people don't do. We kept giving more free value. So one day later, we sent them a free meal plan. On day 2, we sent them a collection of healthy, easy to make recipes. And then on day 3, once enough trust had been built, we pitched them a free transformation call with a coach. And the results were insane. In total, he made over 30K in sales from this funnel. So here are the numbers. In total, 582 conversations were started. We got 434 new leads and 26 people booked a call. And from those 26 people, 15 people bought the 2K program. So again, over 30K in sales from one simple DM funnel. And the reason why this works is because you're not asking for the sale too early. You're earning trust first and then selling becomes easy. That's framework number 2. Let's go to framework number 3. So framework number 3 is when you sell medium to high ticket offers. So anything between $250 and $5,000. Because at that point, most people won't buy directly in the DMs. They need more trust. They need more time with you. They really need to see you as the expert. And that's exactly what a webinar does. So framework number 3 is free webinar to paid. And again, it starts the same way. So you promote your webinar directly on Instagram and you tell people to comment with webinar or DM you webinar. Once they do, they get an automatic DM, and then inside the DMs, you confirm the interest in the webinar. You ask for their name, you ask for their email, and then they are automatically registered for the webinar. And then you give them the next steps. And this part is really important because the goal of a webinar funnel isn't just to get registration. The goal is to make sure that people show up, because registrations are one thing, but show ups is what makes you money. So once people are signed up, we do 3 things. First, we tell them to add the event to their calendar. Super important. Second, we tell them to check their email for the webinar invite. And third, you need to give them a reason to show up. So either they get a bonus if they attend or they get a live Q&A with you. Because when people know they can ask questions live, the chance that they actually show up becomes way higher. And on top of that, we also send more reminders after signing up, so the chance that they show up is also higher. So let me give you a quick example of how we did this with Ruslan Bendenia. Ruslan is an e-commerce entrepreneur and he has his own e-commerce business, but he also helps other people start and scale their own stores. So he promoted his webinar and asked people to comment webinar on his post. When they do that, we confirm their interest, we ask for their name, ask for the email, and then they're registered. And then once they are registered, we tell them to block the time in their calendar. And we also gave them a reason to show up, which was a live Q&A with Ruslan and one of his students that made $200,000. And then to make sure people actually showed up, we also added a reminder sequence. So one day after the sign up, we send a message like, hey, thank you for signing up. What are you hoping to get out of the webinar? And then they reply and we send a personalized response back. And again, we tell them, by the way, make make sure you add this to your calendar. And then 2 days after signing up, we send them a quick nudge. Hey, did you already block the time in your calendar? Then 1 day before the webinar, we send, all right, are you ready? And then 1 hour before the webinar, we send, hey, we're about to start, let's join here. And I will be honest, those 2 last reminders, 1 day before the webinar and 1 hour before the webinar, you can't always send them because of the Instagram DM rules. But even without those, this sequence still gave insane results. So here are the numbers. In total, 680 conversations were started. We got 525 webinar registrations, so that's almost a 70% conversion rate. And from those people, 45% showed up, which was the best show up rate Ruslan ever had. So this works extremely well. Now let's cover the last framework, which is framework number 4, and this is the newest one. This is for people who get a lot of DMs, but most of them aren't qualified. So you spend your whole day replying to messages like, how much is it? Is this free? Can you send me more info? I'm not sure if this is right for me. And the problem is you're wasting time on people who are never buy. But at the same time, you also don't want to miss the good leads. So you need a system that can filter out the unqualified people, keep the qualified ones moving forward, and book calls automatically. And that's exactly what AI DM setting does. So this framework is DM AI qualifies sales call. So here's how it works. When someone sends you a DM, an AI agent qualifies the lead. And this AI agent is trained on your business, your offer, your FAQ questions, and your tone of voice. So for most people, it doesn't even feel like they are talking to a bot. It feels like they're talking to you or someone on your team. So it asks questions like, what are you struggling with right now? Where are you from? And what have you tried before? And then if the lead has any questions, the AI can answer them automatically and then route them back to the qualification questions. Then if someone is qualified, it automatically books the call. And then if they are not qualified, you can either send them to a free offer or to a low ticket offer. And this works so well because the AI responds instantly, so you lose fewer leads, you qualify the lead before you spend time on them, and you book calls without doing more work. And the AI can handle objections as well. So for example, if someone says, I don't know if this is for me, the AI can explain who it is for. If someone says, is the call free? The AI can explain that the call is free and what they can get out of it. And then it guides them back to booking the call. So you should use this framework when you have a medium to high ticket offer, you get a lot of DMs every day, and you want to make more money with the same number of people in your business. Because the moment you have volume, manual DM sales becomes the bottleneck, and AI removes that bottleneck. So those are the 4 frameworks that will make you the most money in 2026. Free to paid, free to more free value to paid, free webinar to paid, and AI DM setting. And the cool part is you can also combine them. For example, you can run a freebie funnel and then at the end ask a question and then it goes to your AI agent. Or you can run a freebie funnel and then invite people to a webinar. So you can connect these frameworks depending on your business model. And if you want to get started with the last one, AI DM setting, I explain it step by step in this next video. So click here to watch it now.